Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Renee Roxanne. Today I'm going to be showing you how I obtain these voluminous curls with such luscious and bouncy results. In the previous video, I showed you how I stretched my hair by doing a Dominican blowout. Then in the video after that, I further stretched my hair using the Babyliss Pro Ionic Thermal Paddle Brush, which gave silk press results. I then parted my hair into sections to create pin curls. If you want to see this pin curl takedown and learn how to get these delectable results like mine, stay tuned and let's get right into this head of phenomenal hair. So I slept with these pin curls for 2 days and now it's time to rip the bonnet off because I'm about to be someone brand new. Make sure to use a hair oil or a pomade of your choice to add some shine and moisture to your hair. I'm putting a good amount into my hands, rubbing it together and gently opening up and taking out the hair clips. I'm trying to be as gentle as possible without creating any frizz or pulling and breaking my hair or damaging the curls. Do you really want to destroy the hard work of how you let this hair set for 2 days? Come on now, be gentle. So I really did do my hair on April 23rd and it's now the 25th. So my hair has had time to set. And the night I completed this, I did hustle and bring my butt to the gym because you can't skip your gym days. And look how I didn't sweat out this hair, not a bit. Now, in my entire life, I have never done a pin curl set or roller set to my hair. I have only just started dabbling with the Heatless curls a few months ago. As you can see, all of the pins are out of my hair and the curls are holding their shape, so I know it's about to be good. Now go ahead and apply some more hair oil to your hands and then smooth it through the lengths of your hair and gently smooth it onto the top of your head as well. It will help to reduce frizz, breakage, to add shine, reduce frizz, and add some much needed moisture. I'm using a wide tooth comb to gently detangle the hair and allow it to be free of any small knots and tangles. This will also help to loosen and open up the curls so that they're ready to be styled. You can leave your hair like this as it is fluffy, loose, and cute, but I think that a bristle brush will help to define the curls and clump them up. It will truly top off this look. So just look at how much volume and bounce my hair has from creating this style. Not one part of it is looking flat. So now I'm going to take my Mason Pearson hairbrush, or you can use any type of boar bristle brush. I promise you that the direction that you brush does matter. So to demonstrate, I'm taking a small section out of the front of my hair. So I'm going to place the brush underneath my hair and brush through all the way out to the ends. You will see that it did form a nice clump and the hair does have shape to it, but it's looking a little bit wonky. Take that section that you just brushed and now I'm brushing on top of my hair and folding the length of my hair over the brush like it's a curling iron, and I'm adding some tension to the hair and the brush at the same time, and bam! Push that hair up and gently encourage it to curl. Look at how different the clump formation is. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love. This is so beautiful. Now continue to part out sections as you work your way to the back of your head. And you're going to brush to detangle your hair and then fold your hair over your brush to give it tension all the way out to the ends. And you'll get a beautiful formation of curl. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, starting in the back this time and working my way up to the front. Just allowing those curls to clump any which way that they want. I am not forcing the curls, I'm just brushing them to encourage a beautiful formation. This is really giving that vintage old money, rich bitch vibes. You already know what it is. So if you love how we got to this pin curl takedown look, you already know to check out the latest video. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and ring that notification bell.
Oh my god.
Oh wow.
Oh my goodness. Whoa.
That's really cool.
I have never had hair like this before. This is so freaking cool.
Yeah.
Oh my god. What the?
70s.
Oh.
Farrah Fawcett.
Oh my god. This is so pretty.
That is really pretty.
Whoa.
Wow. And those big curls.
Oh my god. They're so pretty.
Thank you all so much for watching. You will see me in the next video. Bye for now.